see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Just in the tree. Pero tikman ko na to kagabi, guys. Pero yung TikTok. Good morning, guys. Alis na sila. Anong oras na ba? 8:25. Nagre-ready na sila.
Hi, Mom.
Good morning, Kuya. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Mark.
Morning, may muta pa ata.
Wala na. Morning, Ate. You're going, Ate. Si Ate, ang tagal na dito sa amin. 1 week.
Last Friday.
Matagal dito si Ate. We will miss you, Ate. Uy, hindi mo yan kaya na. Hindi mo yan kaya si Aliyah.
Aliyah's going home, Ali.
Aliyah, say good morning to my vlog. Morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, Baba.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ali.
Too early.
Good morning. Don't forget your unicorn. Andun na. Si Jen, tinatry niyang tanggalin yung yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon na yung sampayan ba namin, kaso nakasimento yung isang parang tubo. Ayan, ayan, meron siya ditong palap. Ano nga tawag dyan? Yeah, sa atin.
Snacks.
Palakol.
Palakol. Axe or palakol. Andyan.
I was trying to spin that, but it's not.
Hindi niya maano kasi nakasimento siya.
Surely wouldn't rust the snow.
Yeah.
You put a little whole tip bag of bloody quickness in there and a bit of water and that's it. But I thought this here might have.
And si Lovely, ayan. Good morning. Ayaw niyang magutom. Ayan,
Kain ka na ba?
Kain na kayo, uy. Ako. You gonna eat Baba rice? With Aliyah? Ate, what?
Alicia's on the side with that. I know it.
Oh, Ate Isha. He said you want crayfish, Ate Isha, but she's saying no. Oh, you're asking Ate Isha to eat crayfish, but Ate Isha don't want crayfish, Baba. Kuya, gusto rin niya daw ng pork belly and rice.
Pork belly, rice.
Yes.
I hope someone's video.
Okay ka lang? Ha? Breakfast niya, lobster lang naman. Biniro siya ni Jan kanina. Ang breakfast niya daw, lobster lang naman.
Siyempre.
Kulang-kulang. Ang init sa labas, pero tingnan mo siya nakaw. Hindi nga.
Nilamigan ako.
Nilamigan. Kaya ang ganda. Andun yung dalawang nagdadalaga. Are you alright, Aliyah?
Kanina talaga pinuntahan siya ni Holly.
Okay, Baba. Eat na, Baba.
Overshot, mate. Right now.
Why? Yes, you can, Baba.
I'm still bubble.
Oh, tapos na silang kumain, guys. Malinis na.
Yes.
You're welcome. Paalis na talaga
Salamat,
sila.
Manay.
You're welcome. And
Sobrang thank you.
Kuya, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Thank you.
Iyak ba yan?
Iiyak na siya. Iiyak na siya kasi wala nang sa kayo magluluto. Wala nang lobster.
Alam niyo guys, yung pag na-upload ni Pompal yung yung Christmas party, wala naman talaga akong pakialam sa kanya.
Lobster lang
lang naman.
Thank you. See
Bye.
Ay, isa ba tayo?
Oo, 9:30. Kiss, Aliyah. See ya.
Say bye, Chona! Love dito, Chona!
Bye. Holly, come here. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Hi, everyone.
Zach.
Pompal, bye-bye!
Say bye to my Bye, guys. Thank you.
John, Nana is saying something.
Guys.
No, I'm really
Nag-enjoy dyan ko dahil. Thank you, kayo.
Ingat na.
She's not going anywhere because she's clean the car.
Lumalabas ang ulo ni unicorn. Ate, are you alright there, ate?
Hindi talaga kaya.
Hindi kaya.
Lumalabas talaga yung ulo. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Hi guys, nakalis na yung mga inday. And then kami pupunta ng Banning. Si Jan nasa isang car kasi hindi kami kasya. Kasi nga diba bibili kami yung sampayan. So punta kami ng Banning. And kasama rin ni Jan yung papa ni Sophie. Kasi magpapatulong si Jan kasi nga.
Guys, Kobe and Sophie's coming here so that I can play the PS4.
I don't think so. Only I said Joe.
No. Joe said they're coming a bit later.
Okay. Are they?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Joe said the kids are coming over.
For later. Okay. Kasi hindi pa sila nagbigay ng regalo. Kasi every year nagbibigay sila ng regalo eh. So, mamaya daw pupunta yung mga bata. So, ngayon ang pupunta nga namin Bannings and itry ko rin i-return yung, alam mo yung microphone ni Holly, yung Frozen. Eto ba? Gumana naman siya nung una, nung pagkabukas. Kaso yung mic, yung sinasaksakan ng mic, parang nag-static siya na. Parang tawag nung pag sinaksak mo siya ng todo, hindi siya, wala nang lumalabas, hindi na ba tumutunog. Tapos pag in-adjust mo siyang konti, pero hawakan mo, saka siya tutunog yung mic. So, itry kong ipalitan kasi hindi ko na mahanap yung resibo. So, sabi ni Jen, hindi ko na ito mapapalitan kung walang resibo. Sabi ko, baka pwede naman kasi nga, diba yung Just Jeans ni Jan, wala naman yung resibo. Pero, pinalitan nila ng gift card or kung mayroon akong gusto, pwedeng palitan. Merchandise nga lang, hindi pwedeng ibalik yung pera. So, itry ko kung pwede. Kasi sayang, medyo magkano ba yun? 90 something din yun eh. Tumutunog siya as a speaker, pero yung mic, hindi siya tumutunog na. Nung una, ang lakas, as in sobrang lakas, ang ganda nga eh. Tapos, it's, din, yung same day, nung trinay na ni Jan na ilagyan ng, hindi lagyan, i-connect yung wifi niya, kasi nga kumakanta si Holly ng Dance Monkey, hindi na tumutunog yung mic. So sabi ko, ba hindi nakakonect yung Spotify? Baka sabi ko, mag-work yung mic. Hindi talaga nag-work. Yung boses ko parang paos-paos. Si Jan siya kasi Joe nauna na sila. So kikitain na lang namin sila dun sa may Bannings. Kasi yung Bannings malapit lang naman yun sa Big W. Dito na kami. Kasi si Holly talaga, Papa, we're here, Papa. Slowly. Baba, careful. We're here. Come on. Hanapin natin si Jan. Okay. Go, Baba. Ayan. So, pinag-iisipan namin kung ang kukunin namin ay yung ganito. Pero eto kasi, parang skinny siya eh. Mataba yung dati namin eh. Or kaya eto, na fino-fold lang. So, mayroon siyang tatlong layering. Ito, dalawa lang. Kita nyo ba? Ayan o, yung 1, 2. Ito. Pareho lang, tatlo pala. 1, 2, 3. Napo-fold siya eh. Ito kasi, yung, di ba nakita nyo naman yung ginagawa ni Jan doon, yung minamason niya na doon. Antigas. Pero ito, sabi ni Jan, parang malit nga, skinny. Yes? At tinatawag ako ni Saka. Yeah. May gustong sabihin si Sak sa papa niya. What?
It's just like a red dot.
It's alright. Hindi makapag-decide kung ano yung kukunin. Kung eto made in Australia to guys, 100% Australian. Daytech.
So you got that little fella there. What are you kids? Sack.
Not the monkey bars.
You don't monkey bars, do you?
You want some monkey bars?
Well, this ain't a monkey bar.
This is not a monkey bar, Sak. You don't climb on that one now.
Well, if you get that one, we're going to have to go over to the thing there and get some screws and some plugs. I don't think, no.
How do you know what size the other two are?
Well, we'll go and show someone.
Here, Joe. 2 meters width.
Hindi pa makapag-decide kung alin talaga. Bumalik ulit kayo dito. Dinitingnan. I need this one. Kasi yung akin, ano to? Kailangan ko to kasi yung amin, ano na, marupok na yung ano. Marupok at saka nawala na yung ibang ipit. Pa ako ng dalawa nito. Holly, hold this one, Baba. Careful. Thank you. Ibalik natin kasi punta raw sa isang shop. Diba? Tingin mo na raw sa isang ano, sa Mitre 10. Doon tayo punta. Tingin-tingin daw muna bago bilhin. Mag-decide si Jan kasi hindi siya makapag-decide. Ayan, tingin ng vacuum. No, I don't want that one. Dito pa rin kami sa Bunnings, guys. Tinatanong ni Jan kung nasan yung battery. Kasi si Sak, kailangan niya ng batteries. Ayan o, ang dami. Ito na yung batteries. Baba, give me one. Give me that one, Baba. Bili sila ng, what do you call that? Snags.
Snags, yeah.
Snags. Ang snags, guys, ang ibig sabihin, sausage and bread. Okay. Thank you. You want a sausage, Baba?
Nah, she's alright.
She's alright. Ayan na.
Not one, Red? No, what?
There's no fruit box. Ayan, dalawang with onions and walang onions.
Way too much food.
Ayaw mo, kuya? Ayaw ni kuya ng sauce? Oh, yeah, with sauce. Good, Zach? Wow, you got solo, Zach? Okay. Welcome. So, yan na yung lunch nila. Come on, Baba.
Mom, here's a solo.
Welcome. Okay. Oh. So, balik kami dito sa car kasi magdadrive ulit. Papuntang ano. Punta kami ng Mitre 10. Tingin ng ano doon. Sampayan. Pag walang makita doon, babalik dito. Si Jan na una na. Tayo pupunta Mitre 10. Go, Papa. Yep. Maliit lang siya. Yung Bunnings sobrang laki. Go straight sa...
We parked in front of
Found the proper one.
You found the proper one.
parked in front of
Which one? May nahanap daw siyang proper one. That one. So we're not gonna...
We'll get
Oh,
this
yeah.
one. Mo's just going to come when I've got that other thing here. He's going to come.
Okay. So nagbago na yung isip.
I don't even need the big one.
Hindi na yung ano folding.
That's a 58. Do we need it? Like, that's 8 long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't think we've got 8.
8.
Have we?
I don't think so. Not 8,
I think
huh?
we've got 7. Number of
No.
lines 7.
So that one's bigger.
That one's the big one, but I think this is the one.
Rotary 47. Binibilang niya yung...
Yeah, that's got 6 on it. That's plenty. This will be right.
Are you sure?
Yep.
How about that one?
They're all the same.
So this one?
Yep, that'll be the one we've got there.
Get the bigger one, honey.
58 motors, Frank. That's heaps.
That's good for the bed sheets.
That'll fit on it.
So this one, ito daw ang kunin.
Yeah.
7 lines.
So,
Nagbago na naman ang isip niya, guys. Di ba? Ito na. Tinitingnan niya naman ito. Kasi ito mas 8 lines. I'm not sure yet. Ito 7. Ito 8. So what? That one? So ito. Ang ito is 274. How much is this one? 329 ito. Kasi mas marami siyang lines. Go. Are you sure? Baba, alis dyan, Baba. You cannot walk like that, Zach. Like this side. Hold. Kaya?
Straight up.
Go straight.
But where's this going, back or front? The back.
Front.
Back here?
Yes, that's correct. In our truck.
Di ko mahanap yung ano, yung pwedeng pagsampayan ng ano, mga underwear, tsaka socks. Yung, nakita nyo yung kinuha ko dun sa ano, sa Bunnings. Hindi ko. Wala sila. Wala eh. Sana pala kinuha ko na lang yun. Wala. Wala sila nun. Yung mga bata gustong kumuha ng electric fan para raw sa kwarto nila. Binalik ko kasi babayaran na sana ni Jan. Sabi ko hindi kasi hindi mo alam pag hindi mo sila nabantayan baka ipasok ni Holly yung kamay dyan. Wag na. Kasi summer na sobrang init na talaga ngayon. Kaso baka ipasok ni Holly ang ano, ang kamay. Are you Holly? Bumili rin ng dalawang ano, semento kasi isi-semento yan doon. Come on, Holly. Careful, Holly.
Sweetie pies.
Careful, Baba. Binitbit ni Joey yung dalawang semento. We are because we're gonna return the frozen one.
Hey, I'm going with that.
No, you're not. You're gonna see Kobe later. Oh, come on, let's go. Come on, come on. See ya, Joe. Thanks, Joe. Bakit? What's that, Ollie?
Where'd you get that from? Probably the box.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, we've got to go, Joe's got to fit through.
Sure not.
We've got to get this thing out.
Ah, all right. See ya. Huh? No, I don't like that. Yeah, I like that one. Come on, Kuya, let's go. Dito na kami sa Big W. Maraming tao ngayon kasi ano, Boxing Day ngayon. Come on. Nahirapan kayo mag-park kanina. So naibalik ko na yung ano, yung sirang Elsa na karaoke. Nandun na siya sa ano, lay-by. And ngayon, hinahanap ko kung mayroon pang ganun. Kasi yun ulit ang gusto ni Holly. Come on, Baba, we'll look. Hanapin muna namin. Sana meron pa. Wala na akong makita yung katulad kay Holly karaoke. Ito yung una kong nakita noon. Ito na lang yung natitira dito. Marami pang ganito. Pero yung katulad kay Holly na karaoke, wala na akong makita. Ang kinuha ko na lang yung isa, yung una kong kinuha noon. Ayan o, hawak-hawak niya na o. Kasi wala na akong mahanap ng katulad nung isa. Maganda sana yun. Not toy, water gun. Where's your water gun? Kasi gusto daw nila ng water gun. No water gun. Okay, let's go. No toy, Kuya. You don't need toy, Kuya. Come on. Hanap na daw ni Sak yung water gun. Where? Okay, find the water gun. Okay, here. Maybe here. Ah, here. Oh, that one na lang, nak. Oh. This one. This one.
15.
No.
This one.
No. Oh, there's this water gun.
Danglit naman yung Kuya. Which one? This is for 3 years old, Kuya. Ito yung isa, oh. Ano, Kuya? You can't? So which one?
This is a water gun. I've seen this one before. Oh, the Super Soaker.
You want that one? You want that one?
No, but
That's 2 Kuya, Isak.
years old anyway.
Yeah, that's for 3 years old. You're not 3.
And that's Zach. that could be Holly's too. She's a 3-year-old.
So what do you, ito naman, naghahanap na naman siya ng
Is this a
pagsisisihan niya.
That's a water gun.
That's a water gun. This is water gun. Nerf water gun. You want that?
This is a bit small. How you shoot?
Look at this. Just look at the picture. You want that one?
I've always wanted one of these for Christmas.
Oh, do you?
Can Holly get a water gun? Thank
Pardon?
you, Mom.
Pardon?
Can Holly get a water gun?
You want a water gun for Holly? Uh-huh. No, not that one. This one, Baba? Okay? Okay.
There should be one of them.
Let's see if they have pink, Baba. How you shoot? Maybe this yellow? You want
Or
this?
this one.
Which one, Baba?
Or
No,
this-
that's hard, Kuya.
Or I know I used to have one.
Do you like that one, Baba?
I used to have one of these guns.
Which one?
Holly, you want this one? I know how to use it.
No,
I know
that's...
how to put it in.
You want this one, Baba? This one na lang or that one? Yellow. Okay? Okay, let's go. Huh?
Now I want it.
That's big, Kuya. That's too big.
And there's 3.
Look.
Look how much
No,
there is.
there's only one.
Look how much.
Yeah, it's too big. You can't handle that, Kuya.
He's old.
Okay? Just that one, okay? Kuya? Okay. Yeah. No, because we have to remove this when we get home, okay? Let's go. Come on.
When I get home, I'm doing my turn.
Okay, come on, let's go. So, ito yung ano, ibabalik ko kasi nga, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi siya nag-work. And ito yung ipapalit. Pero, nag-ask ako kung meron sila pang stock. Kasi mas gusto ko talaga to. Kasi, and mas gusto nito ni Holly. And malaki kasi yung mic nito compared dito. Oh. Maliit ang mic niya. Oh. So, tingnan natin kung meron silang stock. Tinawagan nila yung ano, entertainment. Sabi wala na raw. Pero nung chinek nila sa machine, meron pang 2 available. So, yung isa, pumunta muna sa, ano, sa, kung saan yung entertainment para i-check. So, dito muna kayo nakaupo sa waiting area. May nahanap pa siyang isa. Nasa may mga TV daw nakalagay. Yes. So, ayan, napalitan na natin siya ng the same pa rin nung kay Holly. Kasi nga, sabi ng babae, meron pa raw dun sa may likod talaga kung saan yung mga TV, nilipat nila. So, wala na siya dun kung saan ko nakuha yung kay Holly. Hinahanap ko yung ano, yung anong tawag noon? Sampayan ng mga undies or ano, mga medyas ba. Eto, ang liit naman. Ay, sobrang liit.
Mama, I thought we already had some.
Yeah, but I didn't get it from Bunnings, Kuya. Maybe we should go to Bunnings because this is very small.
No, you've already got 2.
Yeah, the one we have, that's broken, Kuya.
No, we bought some.
I didn't get it.
Mom, look, get 2 of these.
Yeah, the one in Bunnings, I didn't get it, Kuya. So we have to go there.
Oh no, I want to go back.
Ayaw na nilang sumama.
There's just
Ang liit na. Ang liit. No.
3 of them. 3, there's 3.
Ayaw na ni Kuyang bumalik.
3, so we don't have to go to Bunnings.
Alright. Okay, here, I'll hold this for
Mom, that's not fair for everyone.
3. I don't think it's gonna be enough, Kuya.
Oh, there's more at the top.
No, this is too much.
Someone else hold some.
Ayaw ko to kasi wala siyang ano, clip.
I don't want to go back to Bunnings.
Ayaw naman nilang pumunta na sa Bunnings. Okay, we'll just get 3 then. Okay, ayaw na ni Kuya. Ayaw ko nito kasi hindi siya yung nakiklip sa ano, sa sampayan. Mahuhulog to. Not unless maglagay ako ng ganito.
Mom, these ones are much more bigger.
No, yeah, I know, but this is for your undies, Baba.
What about socks?
And socks, that's right.
Oh, that means only 4.
That's not gonna be enough.
Why?
Well, that's enough for now, come on.
How about for my clothes?
For your clothes?
I've got
Is that for your clothes? We have that one, Baba. We have. Oh, it's so dirty. No, we don't have to get that one, Baba. No, come on. Ang dumi ng damit niya kasi nga tumulong siya sa pagbuhat ng sampayang kanina sa my turn. What's that, Baba? No, we already have that one, Baba. Balik niya na. Thank you, Holly. What, Kuya? Dito kami sa Cotton. Yung mga bata andun sila sa may kids area. Naglalaro sila. Andun si Kuya. Oh. Ang dami ngayong tao kasi nga Boxing Day. Di ba magsasaulo lang ako ng sapatos ni Kuya. Pero may mga nakita akong shorts tsaka t-shirt. So itatry ko. Kaso parang ang dami pang nakapila. And may nakita rin pala ako dito hot. Come on, Baba, Holly. Baba, come here. Ipatry ko kay Holly. Try this one, Baba. May kalaro siya dun. Try this one. Let me see. Is it fit? You like it? What's that? Wow. You like it? Okay. Kunin natin ito.
So, Mom, this way you got home shoes?
No. And may nakita ko ditong underwater camera. Oh. Magkano kaya ito? Ang cute, oh. Kapila ako dito sa my fitting room. Andun yung mga bata, oh. Si Kuya nagbabantay kay Holly. Si Sak andito, oh. Are you coming with me? Ha? Huh? Water. Okay, later. Haba na ng pila doon sa labas. Pero andito na tayo sa fitting room. Magsusukat lang ako. What? Gusto niya raw ng tubig. Just one, just one. You share, you share. Come on, let's go. You're right? Nagpapakarga si Holly. Okay, it's alright now, Holly. Come on. Daming tao ngayon dyan sa Cotton On. No, not there. Kami sa isang shop. Don't drop her, Kuya, ha? Makapila kami dito sa my cashier. Bye na kami. And nandito si Sophie. Merry Christmas, Soph. I got your gift. Wait. Is this for Holly girl?
Don't you need to download it first?
What you gonna say? Get your gift for... What you got?
You lost it?
You like them? Wow! I got your gift, Sophie.
Look, we got an AB Games.
Huh?
Look, AB Games.
Games as well.
China. I made this picture for you.
This is for me? Oh, really?
Why don't we play outside?
Okay.
Hindi naman niya ako yung Kunin ko yung regalo ni Sophie.
My drone!
Where's your drone? Holly, I'll give it to Sophie. This is yours.
I got a drone.
What?
I got a drone for Christmas too.
Get us something. No! It's just something. No. It's just nothing.
Is it for PS4?
Somewhere safe.
Yeah, thank you.
AB Games?
Probably. I had a lot of...
Do you have that, Soph? Do you have that one? I hope not. Okay, that's good. Ibilan si Cobb ng gift. So sabi ko kay Jam, pera na lang. Merry Christmas, Kobe!
Merry Christmas. I could tell you the Oh, it's
Ayan na yung bagong karaoke ni Holly. Binubuksan na ni John. Is the mic working, hon?
Yeah.
Ayan na siya. Kinoconnect ni Jen sa phone niya. Kanta na siya ng Dance Monkey. Baba, here, Baba! So I can see you. Come here. Ang lakas kaya ng ng speaker ng karaoke niya. alis na, alis na sila, ano, Sophie. Where you going?
Get right.
Where?
Is this yours?
And, ayan na, ano na nila dyan?
That won't touch that till tomorrow.
Huh?
That cement set all night. And I'll just put the top in and fold it out, done.
Ayan, ginawa na ni Joe, tsaka yung friend niyang kanina, nung nasa, ano ako, nasa town. Naalis nila yung old na ano, oh. Yan, oh. Yung dati. Tapos, ayan, nagdigin daw silang konti para lumalim pa and naglagay sila ng cement. 2 simento. Ayan, inubos nila. Ayan. Sabi ni Jan, ginamit niya raw yung isang sasakyan para ipul yan, para matanggal. Tapos yan, bukas na raw yan. See ya! And di ba nung nandun sa Big W, 3 yung kinuha ko nitong clip hanger na to. Ginawa ko ng 5. Kasi maliliit lang talaga siya. Feeling ko hindi kakasya dito yung mga isasabit ko. So 5 nitong maliliit. Kasi eto, ayan ba? Eto, oh. Wala na siyang mga ipit, oh. And sira na. Gusto ko sana ganito. Sa, ano ko to nabili sa Adelaide, sa Daiso. Gusto ko sana ganito. Batteries? It's in the car. Okay. Mamaya, magmamap ako. Kasi kagabi dapat magmamap. Kasi hindi na nagawa. Kasi tingnan niyo yung floor. Ang daming mga dikit-dikit. Ayan, oh. Ayan si Sako. Maraming dikit ang floor. Pagtulog na siguro yung mga bata. Kasi madulas to pagbasa. Kaya mamaya ko na lang sigurong gabi gawin. And gusto kong mag-nap. Pero i-haul ko muna sa inyo yung mga nabili ko sa, ano, sa Mount. Di ba nagsauli kami ng sapatos ni Kuya. Yung hindi kasya sa kanya. Pero marami naman ako nabili. Binila ko si Holly ng sandals. Eto. May paganyan siya. Velcro. Ayan. Madali lang siya. Pero meron naman siya ditong ano. Pero mas easy dito. So, ayan. Ito kay Holly. And then sa, ano, sa Mitre. Is it Mitre 10? We went, yeah. Si Jan bumili ng malit na screw. 36 pieces. Screwdriver set. Ayan. And, ano pa bang binili ni Johnny Boy? Eto. Bumili siya ng marker. Ayan. Permanent marker set. Pero itatago ko to kasi pag nakakuha to ng mga bata, Diyos ko, kung saan nila na ilalagay, hindi ko na mahanap pag ako gagamit. And sa Cotton On, ito yung mga nabili ko, mga shorts. Ayan, oh. Ano siya, nag-sale siya kasi dati, ano siya, $29.99, $15 na lang. So, bumili ako yung lahat ng kulay nito. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, nabanggit ko na ata sa inyo basta sa isang vlog or pag may hinahol ako, sabi ko sa inyo, pag may nagustuhan ako na komportable ako and then pag mura, binibili ko yung mga iba-ibang kulay or basta ganito. Meron ako nabiling 4 siguro. Ayan, ito yung red. Tinatali siya. May pa-stripe siyang red and meron siyang 2 bulsa. Both side. Isa nito and isang black. Ganun din. May tali and may bulsa rin siya. And eto, sa Cotton On to ha. Sa Cotton On. Kasi may pinuntan pa ako isang shop. Ayan. Ito, maganda to. Pare-pareho lang sila ng style. And eto. Ayan. So, diba lahat ng kulay, kinuha ko na naman. So, ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nito. Then, isang t-shirt. 2 t-shirt. Ayan. Isang black. Na mayroon ditong, It's a Good Day in Byron Bay. Ayan. And isang yellow. Ayan. Power to you, girl. Ayan. And yung katabi ng Cotton On, merong isang shop. Ganda ang tawag ata doon. Ito, nabili ko siya. Ayan. So, itong dalawa, $58. Kasi ito, $49.95. Tapos, may, ano siya, 10%, $10 off. So, naging $39.99. Ito naman, ano siya, $34.95. So, hindi ko alam kung magkano kuha ko dito. Pero, Parang 58 ang binayaran ko sa dalawang. And kinuhaan ko rin si Holly ng sombrero hat. Yes. Holly, you like this?
Yes.
Yes. $16.99 siya. Nakuha ko siyang $8.50 kasi nga Boxing Day. So ito yung mga nakuha and yung sampayan. So yun yung nabili namin. So i-close ko na tong vlog guys kasi gusto ko mag-nap. Baba, come on Zach, we're close the vlog. Baba, you wanna close the vlog? No? Okay. Pagod si Holly, guys. Ako magnanap talaga ako. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye! So, yun si Kuya. Next cooking. Good night. Bye, guys. Magnap tayo. Magnap ako. Mag-map kami ng floor. And this one?
Nah, just this one.
Just that one? Yeah. This one smells good, too.
No, this smells like the same.
Alright.
Watch that, make sure it sits up straight.
What's old gold?
Kasi tingnan nyo. Napakita ko na to sa inyo, di ba?
What's old gold?
Yan. Tatanggalin natin yan.
Want to dream.
You know what I mean?
Want to dream.
Just go have.
Oh,
Hang on. You got to lift all these mats up though before you start.
Okay, can you?
We got to shift all this, shift all the potatoes, rice.
Okay. What are you doing now? Ito yung lunch box niya.
Hey, look at that lovely. Drink.
Oops. Yung pang-map ko. Ayan. Dalawang sandwich. Ang anong laman nito yung roast beef. Tapos ayan, dami yung chocolates. And oats. And then yung medicine niya. Tinatanggal niya ng mga...
Vacuum.
How about that? Thanks.
You done that?
Spin it, hon.
What did you do?
I think I did, but just, yeah, more please.
Just want to quick go here. Have to put a bit of effort into it, babe.
Effort.
Yeah, this one was not fast, see?
Is it hard?
You've got to put a bit into it.
That goes on one. DJ, that goes on one.
That one, hon.
Hey.
Lilinisan niya yung vacuum. Okay, ako na mag... Who? Zach?
Give it a wash and a thing, babe.
Huh?
Give it
Yeah. Who's
But
Zach?
you can't be able to do it. You need 2 hands, babe. You really got to give
I know. Who's that, Zach? Sige, mag-map na muna ako, guys. Nilinis ko na siya. Wala na siya yung mga dikit-dikit na itim dyan sa floor. Ayan, malinis na siya. Pero bukas ko na ibalik yung mga rags at saka yung isang sakong bigas doon.